Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make your laptop's Wi-Fi signal faster. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. So yeah, let's start. In this video, we'll be showing you 5 settings on how to make your laptop's Wi-Fi signal faster. And what you need to do, go down here in the search box and type control panel. You need to go to the original control panel. Do not go to the Windows 10 control panel. You need to go to the original one. And once you're here, click Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center, and then here in the middle where it says Connections, click on top of your Wi-Fi adapter. Once you're here, go down to the bottom where it says Properties. It will pop up another window, and under your Wi-Fi adapter, click Configure, and then it will pop up another window again. And the first setting we're going to change is here, up here where it says Power Management. Go to the Power Management tab, and by default it's going to be like that. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. This is going to be enabled. You need to disable that and do not click OK yet, because we're going to change 4 more settings. To change the settings, you need to go to the Advanced tab, and you will see that there are lots of settings right here. Do not mess around with the settings that you do not know. Change the settings that I'm going to tell you. If you do not see some of these settings that I'm going to tell you, then your Wi-Fi adapter does not support these settings. But if you see 1 or 2 of these settings, change them. But if you do not see the other settings, then unfortunately, as I said, your Wi-Fi's adapter does not support these settings. So the first setting we're going to change is the fat channel intolerant. By default it's going to be disabled, and you need to change it to enabled. Then the second setting we're going to change is roaming aggressiveness. By default it's going to be 5, I think so. For my laptop it was 3. You need to change it to number 1, the lowest. Then the next setting we're going to change is the throughput booster. By default I think it's going to be enabled, but my laptop had it disabled, so that's a good thing. You need to change it to disabled. And then the last setting we're going to change is the transmit power. By default I'm pretty sure it's going to be 5 in all laptops, but if you have like a lower number, change it to 5 so your laptop gets the maximum signal possible from your router. And that's the settings we will have to change. After you have changed all the settings, as I said, do not change any settings that you do not know, because it can destroy your Wi-Fi speed. After you have changed all your settings, click OK, and you may get disconnected temporarily from your Wi-Fi. Do not worry, it's just going to change the settings. And yeah, that's a video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section, and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section, and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.